Okay, so this short video is going to demonstrate some aspects of the quick order. Similar to other sites, this will allow you to quickly scroll the site and place orders for items that you may have looked at in the past or are quickly interested in. So we're going to hit the quick order tab in the upper right hand corner of the screen, and as such it's beginning to bring up all the orders within the quick order apparatus. So all products will be shown on the screen. This is set to show 25 products or so. So it can be changed to show other products. You can also scroll by category, and as you begin to scroll by category, you'll begin to see all the items that are in the store as well. So if you go by food items, it's going to immediately sort the list for food items, and as you can see, these are the various food items that are available. So we're going to click and add, let's say, Go Africa coffee 12 ounce. We're going to click to add the cart, and the product has been added to the cart. So again, we're going to select another item, let's say the Africa blend, and we're going to change the quantity to this item to 2, and we're going to add it to cart as well. So the quick order system and the quick order table allows you to quickly go through and scroll through products and subsequently go to the next table, or even more so, show all products in the store at once, which is a feature some individuals also like as well. And once that has been reset and you can see all the items, it makes it scrolling through the store a lot simpler and faster, particularly if you're on a cell phone or using any other device. So I'm going to change this to show all categories, and thus you can see the example. It's going to show 100 products, up to 100 products on a single page. So that's one of the better features of any quick order system, and that concludes this part of quick order. I will go through some other aspects, but this part is essentially done. You can again go to the chat window if you need to chat about issues with the ordering or with another vendor.